Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking levels and routing so the engine hears clean audio. Set your mic gain, pick 48K HC and 24-bit, then open Only Way and create a new project. Once done, route the mic input into the plugin chain and load a voice preset that matches your goal. Make sure to record a short test phrase, listen for clipping or noise. If you hear distortion, drop gain by 3.6 dB and retest. This establishes a reliable baseline before you process further. Now you build the effect chain to shape character and presence. Start with subtractive EQ, remove rumble below 80 Hz, and gently boost presence around 3.6K Hz to cut through. Once the tone is set, insert a compressor with a 3:1 ratio, 510 ms attack, and 5150 ms release to control dynamics without squashing. After dynamics, place modulation or reverb at the end and automate wet/dry to keep clarity. When you tweak parameters, use short clips to audition changes in context. Finish by balancing levels and exporting with proper headroom. Aim for around -6 dB peak or a target LUFS that suits your deliverable, and render or export at 24-bit for best fidelity. Once exported, check the file in different playback systems to confirm translation. If you encounter artifacts or stuttering, bypass each module one at a time to isolate the culprit, then reset or lower problematic parameters. When needed, reload the session settings or restart Only Way to clear transient bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.